Hello, let's take a look at the weather across Europe. And for many central and western parts, high pressure is dominating over the next few days. You can see on the satellite image the cloud here rotating around that big area of high pressure that's building in from the west. So lots of dry weather for the UK, France, into northern parts of Spain, Germany as well. Meanwhile, it's quite unsettled down towards the southeast. We've got some heavy showers affecting parts of Turkey and Greece, and also some strong gusty winds through the Adriatic for Croatia. But down towards Cyprus and Crete, it's looking sunny and warm and dry through the day on Friday. There are those heavy showers in Greece and gusty winds for Croatia. Much of Italy looks dry and settled, but there will be some showers moving in across Spain and Portugal, heading in from the west later in the day. 31 degrees in Bordeaux, temperatures above average across much of Spain and the UK, and it's going to warm up further, I think, through the day on Saturday. But with that warm weather for central parts of Europe, we've also got some heavy showers moving in from the Atlantic, particularly affecting parts of Portugal, Spain, into southwest France as well. But Paris, 28 Celsius, another warm day to come here. It is looking warm for Paris and for London on Saturday, but from Sunday onwards things will turn a little bit cooler with the arrival of some showers. Showers though should clear from Madrid, where it will warm up. In Berlin we'll also see temperatures dipping a little bit as we head into next week, with some showers later in the week. Bye-bye. Hello there. We've got lots of tropical storm and hurricane activity at the moment in both the Atlantic and in the Pacific as well. Hurricane Lorena pushing in towards the southwest of Mexico, bringing heavy rain here. Hurricane Humberto now clearing away from Bermuda, and we've also got the remnants of Tropical Storm Imelda bringing some heavy downpours across parts of Texas, so there could well be some further flooding here as we look through Thursday night and on into Friday as well. Meanwhile, for many central and eastern states, actually the weather's looking largely dry, settled and pretty warm too. That warm weather extending into central parts of Canada as well. We've got some showers moving in across parts of British Columbia and the potential for some pretty heavy rain across Alaska as we look through the next couple of days. Showers continue across the Rockies through Washington State, Oregon and Northern California, but Southern California looking dry and rather warm as well. So temperatures in Vancouver about 63 Fahrenheit over the next couple of days. Los Angeles, though, seeing plenty of sunshine, and those temperatures will be on the up as we look towards the weekend. Largely dry and settled with lots of sunshine for Montreal, Toronto and New York too. And as we head our way further south, we've had quite a lot of hot weather for the likes of Florida, Georgia and also for Alberta as well. And we'll continue to see warm weather here, but not quite as hot as it has been. Lots of sunshine in New York over the next few days. Some showers in Miami by Saturday. Bye-bye. Hello, it is a very busy spell of weather in terms of hurricanes and tropical storms in both the Atlantic and the Pacific. Hurricane Lorena is pushing into western parts of Mexico, and Tropical Storm Jerry is strengthening and moving close to the northern Leeward Isles. We'll look at that in a moment. First off, across South America, there's a slow-moving band of rain for southern parts of Brazil, which will linger for the next few days, but much of Brazil looks really quite warm and dry compared to average for this time of year. Some heavy showers across Colombia, Venezuela, northern parts of Ecuador as well, but we've got a lot of dry weather for parts of Guyana, French Guiana and into Brazil as well. There's that heavy rain lingering in the south, but things are looking largely dry for Uruguay, northern Argentina. Southern Argentina and southern Chile, though, quite cool for the time of year, with some fairly heavy mountain snow for the southern Andes. Now, the outlook for the next few days is for things to start to cool down in Rio de Janeiro with the arrival of some rain, I think, during the second half of the weekend. Buenos Aires should stay dry and sunny. Now, Hurricane Lorena bringing some heavy rain and some strong winds around the southwest coast of Mexico over the next few days. We've also got some big showers and thunderstorms lingering in the central Caribbean for the Dominican Republic. And Tropical Storm Jerry there will likely move to the north of the Leeward Islands, but it will bring some big waves and some heavy rain. Plenty of heavy showers in Havana over the next 5 days and some showers at times in Kingston. Bye-bye. Hello there. We've got some high temperatures in the forecast across the Middle East over the next few days. We'll look at that in a moment. First off to Africa, and the satellite image shows a lot of cloud around parts of West Africa, including the Gulf of Guinea. Further heavy showers here, particularly affecting the likes of Sierra Leone, Liberia, Ghana, seeing some of those heavy showers as well. Meanwhile, much of southern Africa, quite warm, dry weather on the cards here. Temperatures across South Africa above average over the next few days. For North Africa too, things are looking largely dry and settled, with showers clearing away from Algeria and Tunisia that we've seen over recent days, but some fairly strong gusty northerly winds across Egypt. Now in Cape Town, you will notice those temperatures will be lifting over the next 5 days or so. There will be a few showers here and there. Johannesburg should stay dry and sunny, but some showers for Dakar. In Khartoum, hot, dry with plenty of hazy sunshine, spells of sunshine for Kinshasa over the next 5 days, and those temperatures starting to rise. Now across the Middle East then, temperatures on the warm side, certainly across the Levant, into parts of Iraq, across the Gulf too, so temperatures up to about 40 or 42 degrees for several places. Hazy sunshine, fairly light winds for most places as well through the day on Friday, just turning a little bit gusty as those northwesterly winds pick up across Iraq and Kuwait later in the day. But here is the outlook, and as you can see for the next 5 days or so, no great change. Temperatures still remain rather warm for the time of year. Bye-bye. Hello there. We've got some high temperatures in the forecast, temperatures well above average across much of Central Asia. We'll look at that in a moment. But first off, towards India, there have been some heavy monsoon downpours over recent days. You can see the cloud on the satellite image, and there's more heavy rain to come, particularly in the north and the west. So areas including Goa up towards Gujarat will see that intense rainfall, and plenty of heavy showers really dominating across much of central and northern parts of India. Meanwhile, further south, it's looking largely dry with some sunshine, just a few scattered showers for the likes of Kerala and across Sri Lanka as well. Meanwhile, heading further northwestwards, then a lot of warm and sunny weather across much of Kazakhstan, down towards Turkmenistan and Uzbekistan as well. Temperatures here at around about 35 Celsius, well above average for the time of year. Few showers over the mountains of Afghanistan, but Pakistan mostly dry. There's that heavy monsoon rain lingering across northwestern parts of India. Some heavy showers down towards Mali, and we'll catch a few showers across Sri Lanka and also for Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Some heavy showers also across parts of Orissa and West Bengal. The heavy rain in Mumbai should ease, so we're looking at a drier spell of weather from Sunday onwards. Sunny spells set to continue in Islamabad, but perhaps 1 or 2 showers through the course of next week. Hot and dry in Tashkent, but those temperatures will start to decline as we head through next week. Bye-bye. Hello there. There's a developing tropical depression in the Western Pacific, which is going to be strengthening over the next few days. We can see that system on the satellite image here, sitting out towards the east of Taiwan at the moment. It will be pushing its way gradually northwards up towards Japan over the coming few days. Now, much of Japan holds on to the dry weather, I think, through the day on Friday, but you can see some heavy showers associated with the outer edge of that storm pushing towards Kyushu. For South Korea and also for much of eastern China, it's sunny and dry, but windy conditions associated with that tropical depression across Taiwan. The tail end of it also bringing some heavy downpours through central parts of Luzon, and across Indonesia, it's looking mostly dry and settled. But for Osaka, it's a fairly unsettled outlook with some heavy showers arriving during the course of the weekend here. Beijing looks largely dry with plenty of sunshine sticking around. Now, it's been quite warm across much of Australia, but we've got a cold front moving its way across the Great Australian Bight, bringing a dip in temperature to the likes of Adelaide through the day. We'll just hold on to temperatures of 25 degrees still in Melbourne and in Hobart as well. And crossing the Tasman Sea, there's a big area of high pressure dominating the weather, so some lovely dry and sunny conditions across both islands of New Zealand. Now, we will see some showers arriving in Sydney by the time we get to Sunday, and a few showers in Wellington by Tuesday. Bye for now.